A lot of people ask me, what's it like being on an airboat, driving an airboat? I said, well, have you ever ridden a motorcycle? They go, yeah. So have you ever got out on one of those real isolated roads where there's nothing but you and the two green lines on either side of the road? They said, yeah. So add a couple of more cylinders and take the green lines away. That's the closest thing to flying you can get and not leave Earth.
We actually run these airboats to stick these frogs. You see a pair of eyes, you go towards him, try to stick him and pirouette around him, go on to the next one. The slower you go, the more you see. Put it in the bucket, and hopefully we'll get to eat them. I feel like I'm a keeper of the Everglades. It's my heart and soul. I've just been coming here all my life and being able to venture out and see everything. So when they take all this away, when all of us are gone, then nobody's going to be able to take the next generation out to see what we see, my Everglades.